Hello to everyone. So here is my homemade bread bowls, and I will just cut a circle in and take my bread out and create a bowl. So okay, I fried 2 pieces of bacon. Well, 2 half pieces of bacon. I usually keep at least 2 packages of bacon in the freezer. It can be used for, I cut the bacon in half, and then I use like half a pound of bacon. And so, okay, I fried my bacon, and now I have not too much, just a little bit of turkey burger that I bought. I think I bought at Ralph's, and it was basically buy one, get one free. Okay, so now I just want to make a little batch of gravy to put in my bread bowls. I don't have too much drippings, but I don't really need that much. I just need a little bit. So I seasoned my turkey burger with some crushed red pepper and some garlic salt, and I used salt and pepper on my bacon. Let's see if I can get a little more oil over here. So I don't know how much gravy this is going to make, but if I make a little bit more gravy than I need for my bread bowl, then I will just save my gravy, and I'll have another one tomorrow. So this is going to be really cheap and tasty. So I have about a quarter pound of turkey burger. So 1/4 pound of turkey burger is not that much, but if you make gravy, then you make enough for 2-3 people. Half evaporated milk and half water. So I'll use this first, and then if I need more milk, I'll use my shelf-stable milk. I think that stuff is a good thing to keep on hand. You could use a package of gravy if you don't want to make it, but it's cheaper if you make it. So I had about 2 cups of milk, so that'd be 1 cup evaporated milk, 1 cup water. I have my heat up high. So I'll have my bread, I'll have my meat, I'll have my milk, and I'll have some peas in a minute. And so then once I get this gravy thickened up, and I put the peas in. So I have peas from Walmart. I will use about, for a little batch like this, a half a can of peas. You could use green beans, you could use hamburger, you could use sausage, you could use any little, see how this is starting to thicken up now? So now at this point, what you want to do is you want to cook your gravy 15 or 20 minutes, to flavor it up to put in your bread bowls. Okay, you guys, I'll be back.